In today's digital age, online reviews have become a powerful force for businesses, influencing customers' decisions and shaping brand reputations. Google Reviews, in particular, is a prominent platform where businesses can interact with customers and gather feedback. Responding to Google Reviews effectively can significantly impact business success. In this video, we'll explore the importance of responding to Google Reviews, provide a step-by-step guide on how to respond, and offer tips for crafting effective responses to negative and positive reviews. Responding to Google Reviews demonstrates that you value customer feedback and are invested in your business's reputation. It provides an opportunity to address customer concerns, resolve issues, and build stronger relationships with customers. Moreover, Google Reviews are a ranking factor in local search results. Promptly responding to reviews can enhance your business's visibility and drive more traffic to your website. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to respond to Google Reviews. 1. Log in to Google My Business. 2. Navigate to the Reviews tab. 3. Find the review you wish to respond to. 4. Click on the Reply button below the review. 5. Write your response in the text box provided. 6. Click on the Post button to publish your response. Negative reviews can be discouraging, but it's important to respond with professionalism and empathy. Acknowledge the customer's concerns, apologize for any dissatisfaction, and provide a solution or explanation. Offer to take the conversation offline if necessary, but always maintain a positive and respectful tone in your response. Positive reviews are a great opportunity to express appreciation and build relationships with customers. Thank the customer for their feedback, acknowledge their positive experience, and mention any specific details that they highlighted in their review. Encourage the customer to visit again or share their experience with others. Responding to Google Reviews is an essential aspect of online reputation management and customer engagement. By following the steps outlined in this video and adhering to these tips, you can effectively address both positive and negative reviews, enhance your business's reputation, and strengthen customer relationships. Remember, prompt and thoughtful responses to Google Reviews can significantly impact business growth and success in today's digital landscape.